Welcome back to Design with Miyoshi. I wanted to do what's called the Comptia Test. Comptia tests are just skill tests in my class, and I have students just make a model and make a drawing from that part in one class period, sometimes two class periods, it depends. But I have them do those and just to show their skills. And I usually show them one fairly easy one we do together. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you that first Comptia test, and it's called in my classroom Figure 7-55. But first, I want to thank Northwest Technical Products for sponsoring this video. If you are part of an educational institution in Washington, Alaska, Oregon, Idaho, or Montana, contact Northwest Technical Products for all your SolidWorks and other technical needs. Thanks, Andrew, and all the crew at Northwest Technical Products. All right, so like always, we're going to start with sketch. And since this is an auxiliary view drawing, we're going to make the part in the top plane first. Now you have to make sure you put it correct orientation. So we'll make a little figure that looks something like this. Horizontal and a vertical line. Oops, I should have just done end chain, but that's okay. Oops, not end chain yet. Escape, so I can make that guy. Horizontal, right click, select, and then we have that. Now I'm going to make a couple of relations. So we'll add relations. We'll make this guy and this guy equal, not parallel. We'll make this guy and this guy equal, and then we'll put a couple dimensions on there. All right, so that guy's going to be 2 inches. And this guy's going to be ½ an inch. All right, so there is the beginning of that. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a circle. And I'll just make the circle anyway for right now. And let's make up relations. So I'm going to add relation. And I don't want the arc in there, so I'll right click and clear selections. What I want is that center and that line, not the point. I want the point, I just want the line. That line and that point to intersect. Okay, now then what I'll do is I'll dimension this guy. We should know the radius of that already. That's going to be, sorry, diameter, 1.5 inch diameter. Oops, it's 1.5 inch radius. Let's go 3. There we have it. So then all I need to do is do a little trim here, and I'll just drag across here all the way done. And that's kind of funny. It now gives me that I'm over-defined. I'm over-dimensioned. So what I will do, since it's over-defined, I'll just get rid of this ½ inch because it says these two guys are equal. This is lined up with the center, and the radius or the diameter of this guy is, it tells you exactly where it needs to be. So I don't need that other dimension. We'll put it in though, because it'll be necessary for our drawing, or it'll be good for our drawing. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna extrude that. We'll extrude that up a distance of 3 1/4, make sure that's right. 3 1/4, 3.25, and then I'll hit OK. Then we'll go to the front view, and we'll make a new sketch. Again, I clicked with my middle mouse and hold the Shift key. I'll just make a new, oops, I need to make a new sketch. I need to tell it what plane, and the plane I want is the front plane. So now I'll go ahead and make my line. I already clicked it earlier, but I'll click my line, and I'll grab this corner point. I'll grab that edge, right click and select, and I'll do a smart dimension. This angle is 45. And then all you need to do is go to features, extrude to cut, and that is right side to cut. I'll do through all both just because, and then there it is. So I'll now save this guy, and it's at 7-55. Okay. Now, after we make our drawing, of course, we want to make a drawing from part. So we'll make a drawing from part. NCA landscape, hit OK. Then what we're going to do is, of course, we'll just bring in our drawing model view and hit the next. And all I really want is the, well, I want two. I want the top and the front. I don't really need an auxiliary view. I'll hit it. Let's see, make sure my headlines are on, and then hit OK. All right, and there are my two views, my front and my top view. Now what I'm going to do is an auxiliary view. So I'll go to, actually, let's do dimensions first. I like dimensions first in this one. Model items, annotation, model items, entire model, all views, hit OK, and then we'll put that in there. Okay, we know the 2 is a 2x, so let's put a 2x in front there, 2x space. And notice to flip the arrows to the outside. If you don't like that, or if you've got enough room, you can click the dot here, and that moves it in or out. I think this is a little bit better because you have a bit longer line, so we'll move that down just a touch. And we'll put that 45 out here, move the 3.25 out here, and move the endpoints. All right, last part. So that looks pretty good. Oops, we're not quite done. We want to do a sketch, and we want to put center lines in here. The center lines will locate that center of the circle. So we'll put this down. I don't want to grab the endpoint. I want to grab just off the endpoint. So I'll let that little dash line come there. And I'm going to come just below where that guy is. Okay, and I'll right click and chain. I'll do the same thing over here, just to the right a bit. Click and go over there. Right click, select, and there is my figure. That tells me that the center of my circle is located at the intersection of those two guys. And if I really wanted to, even though it over-defines it, I can go ahead and put this guy here. And yeah, it's going to say it's driven. Oh, it didn't. So then I'll put 2x in front. And there we go. Okay, so I'm done with the smart dimension. Now all I have left to do is come back and we'll do an auxiliary view, grab the auxiliary view, the line I want, come over here, pull the AA out so it's a little bigger, so it's outside. I like to be outside the guys there. Headline is there, good. Notice that endpoint move back, so I'll move that over to left. And there we have it. Hit OK. And then we'll right click, edit sheet format, zoom in a little bit, name, and I'll put my name in there, put date. Oh, come on, double click. 10, 20. Oh my goodness. This to 0. I'll put my design company over here. I'll find it once I can find it. There we go. Come on. Find that little A there. There we go. And then I'll put the title in here. This one, I might put Comptia Test. Comp Test. No, I won't. I'll just put 7-55. And there we have it. Right-click sheet format, edit sheet. You can zoom out here again, make sure it looks beautiful. And it does. So I'll just hit save, and we'll save the part, of course. And we'll save the drawing. And then, of course, I'll save it as PDF. Save as. PDF. Save. And there we have it. The Comptia Test. Again, I would do that with my students in class. And now that I have it recorded, I can actually tell them, hey, if you didn't catch it during class, you can come watch it on the video here. So thanks for tuning in for Design with Miyoshi. We'll see you next time.